Hello vertebrate students, today we will present our presentation which is about fish dissection of Vertebrate nebulosus fish. Our team members are Abdullah Hanai, Abdul Noor, Mazen and Al-Azhar. The index of our presentation are Introduction, External Anatomy, Internal Anatomy, and Summary of our work. The objective of this dissection is to understand external and internal organs and system functions of Vertebrate nebulosus fish, and also we wanted to compare between external and internal dissection of this fish. Here are some general information about Vertebrate nebulosus: the maximum size up to 87 cm, the depth from 10 to 75 meter, and the sea temperature range from 70.4 to 31. And the habitat of this type of fish: coral reef, mangrove, rocky reef, seagrass, and soft sediment. The external anatomical features outside body parts of fish can tell us about a species, like where it lives in the water, how it finds food, and how it protects itself from predators. At the end of this part, we will be able to identify the external anatomical feature of a fish. Here is an external general parts of a fish. For example, the fins. There are several types of fins: dorsal, lateral, tail, anal fin, pectoral and pelvic fin, and has also mouth and operculum which protect the gills. Running down the length of a fish body is the lateral line. It's made up of serious microscopic holes located just under the scale of the fish. One of the fish's primary sense organs, the lateral line can sense low vibrations in the water and is capable for determining the direction of their source. All fish have external appendages called fins. Fins allow fish to balance and steer while swimming. Fins are either single along the center line of the fish, like the dorsal fin, anal fin, and tail fin, or pair fins like the pectoral fins and pelvic fins. Pectoral fins help fish balance and turn. The pelvic fin is located on the belly and help with the steering as well as balance. Tail fin, also called the caudal fin, helps propel a fish forward. The dorsal fin helps in steering, but its main function is protection, with some species having a very sharp spiny dorsal fin. The anal fin, as pelvic fin, is located on the belly and help with steering as well as balance. Gills are covered by a flexible bony plate called the operculum. Gills located on either side of fish head. Gills remove oxygen from the water and diffuse carbon dioxide from the body. In this part, we will discuss the internal anatomy of Vertebrate nebulosus fish, and we will identify the main organs of this fish with its functions. At the end of this part, we will be able to identify the internal parts of this type of fish. Here we can see the stomach. The stomach is often referred to as the gut, and is where food is digested and nutrients absorbed. Fish like this is carnivores, which have fairly short intestines because such food is easy to chemically break down and digest. This part is liver. The liver has many digestive and storage functions. One is the production of bile, a solution which breaks down the fats in the intestine. The liver also stores fats and carbohydrates, destroys all blood cells, maintains proper blood chemistry, and plays a role in nitrogen waste removal. And this is gonads. Gonads are the sex organs. Males have paired testes that produce sperm, but in this fish we have female that have paired ovaries that produce these eggs. And as you can see here, this is swim bladder. It is a flexible, gas-filled sac located in the dorsal or top portion of the body cavity and helps to control the fish buoyancy. This part is spleen. Heart. This organ pumps blood throughout the body, delivering oxygen and digested nutrients to the cells of various organs. It transports waste products from the cells to kidneys and liver for elimination. In fish, the circulatory system is single-circuit with two cambered hearts, unlike the typical four-cambered heart found in land animals like mammals and birds. As you can see here, these teeth, which found near the gills, are indicator that this fish is carnivores. Here we go. This is the last part of our presentation. Fish are the largest group of vertebrates found in fresh and salt water. In fact, over 2,500 species of fish comprise about 50% of vertebrate population. Part of the reason for the large number of fish is due to how well adapted they are to live in an aquatic environment. And here, this is a scientific classification of Rhintherians nebulosus fish.